Heart tumor in dogs. Find out how the disease affects pets. Talking about diseases is always delicate, but some issues need to be discussed in order to improve the quality of life of our friends. The heart tumor in dogs is one of the topics that still cause doubt and fear in many guardians. After all, this is a serious disease that can affect dogs of different ages and bring several consequences. With a careful look, however, it is possible to identify the problem and help these furry friends more effectively. For this, we invited the veterinarian Dr. Igor Hulewicz Nemtzoff to answer all your questions about tumor in dogs. Are you interested? Read on and learn more about the topic. The heart tumor, also called heart neoplasm, is one of the types of cancer that affects four-legged friends. Dr. Igor explains that, just like humans, the dog tumor can be benign or malignant. This diagnosis depends on the location and progression of the disease. As the heart is an important organ for the functioning of the whole body, this condition needs urgent attention from a specialist. Fortunately, although it is considered a serious disease, the veterinarian says that this is not such a common problem in dogs. As with other neoplasms, the causes of heart tumors are still very uncertain. If the tumor appears directly in the heart, it is considered a primary disease, says Dr. Igor. But if the tumor already exists in another organ and a focus appears in the heart, the condition is called metastasis and is considered a secondary disease. The veterinarian also says that although research does not indicate for sure which are the main causes of a dog with heart tumor, some breeds present the problem more frequently. There are German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Labrador, English Bulldog, Boston Terrier, Afghan Greyhound, French Bulldog, Yorkshire Terrier. Age is also a risk factor. The disease usually appears in dogs from 8 to 15 years old, adds the specialist. However, if your best friend is one of the breeds listed above, do not be alarmed. We are talking about predisposition, which does not mean that all dogs will have the problem. The heart tumor, even in these cases, is considered a rare disease. Because it is a disease that affects an internal organ, noticing a heart tumor in a dog may not be so easy. The symptoms depend a lot on the size and location of the tumor, explains Dr. Igor. However, if the guardian keeps attention to some cares with his pet, such as behavior, it may suggest that something is going wrong with his health. Dr. Igor lists some symptoms that are usually common in dogs with heart tumors: tiredness, apathy, coughing, shortness of breath, loss of appetite, fainting, and convulsions. If you notice any of the above symptoms, it is recommended to seek a veterinary clinic as soon as possible. This should be done whenever the pet shows changes in behavior, even if the different signs, such as drowsiness, mild fatigue, and lack of interest,